Anybody else in there? Come on. Back away. Hello?
Oh, yeah, my phone.
There's a fire in the building. You gotta come out the window. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go back this way.
Hey, no, we got your bird. Right here.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
I wanted my phone.
Well, I'll pull my cord.
All right.
Let's go.
Megan, I'll get you.
Don't go there.
Oh, fuck that.
Your fires got to do their job. Get out, come on. Man, where you at?
I'm getting my stuff.
Dude, you don't have time for that. You got to get out of the building.
I'll crawl out the window.
You're not coming out the window. Come on.
Yeah.
I got one more in here, Quayar. Yeah, come on, man. Dude, come on. You got to get out of here now.
This worked out.
Let's go, man. It's heating up over here.
Hurry it up, man.
Man, you're gonna have to get up and move.
No, she can't.
Well, then she's gonna fucking, this is gonna burn on top of her.
Oh, hell.
You're gonna have to get up, man.
I walked, my ankle broke.
Okay, well, grab on the other side of her.
My ankle.
Come on.
Close.
We gotta get you out of here.
Oh,
Come on. Come on.
On your feet.
Let's go out. I know, but you gotta get up.
I can't. Help me, I broke my ankle.
She's got a broken ankle. We gotta get up and out.
Help me out.
Very good. All right. Let's go.
Oh, Lord.
You're all right.
Oh, my God, my ankle.
Okay.
Oh, God. Oh, give me your leg. I'll carry your back. It's my ankle. You gotta get on that
It's all right.
stretcher.
Oh, that's all right.
I'm gonna bring your legs up, okay? You ready?
She's good right here, as long as we're away from the
fire.
Get out of the smoke.
Oh.
Oh.
Bring your legs up. Oh, here are people with bad ankles right there. I need
there's
a couple there. I need some
Let's go this way.
Oh, I can't walk on it.
All right, we're up.
You ready?
Got her?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go, man.